Distance between the slit varies as it is given to d naught plus a naught sine omega t. Okay, d naught omega a naught are the constant. Difference between the largest fringe width and the smallest fringe width obtained over time is given to you. तो fringe width का formula you know lambda d by d means it depends on small d. अब we have to talk about the maximum and minimum. तो maximum sin omega t value is 1 and minus 1. तो maximum when sin omega t will be 1. तो d maximum will be d naught plus a naught and d minimum will be d naught minus a naught. Now, when fringe width and d are inversely proportional to each other, so when we will talk about the beta max minus beta minimum. So beta max means we have to talk about the d minimum. So lambda d upon d minimum minus lambda d upon d maximum. Any doubt?
No.
Now see. Lambda d minimum was d naught minus a naught minus d maximum was d naught plus a. So lambda d LCM will be d naught minus a naught or d plus a naught. This will give you a minus b into a plus b. So a square minus b square. So d naught square minus a naught square. You will multiply with d naught plus a naught minus d naught plus a naught. D naught will get cancelled. So lambda d a naught upon d naught square minus a naught square. So we are having option B correct. Have you got it?
Yes, sir.